Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Parthiv. In this video, I am going to discuss about one type of passive membrane transport, that is simple diffusion. But before going to that, I would like to tell you cell membrane transport is broadly divided into two main types based on usage of energy. The first type is passive membrane transport and second is active membrane transport. In passive membrane transport, the energy is not at all required to transport the molecule across the cell membrane, so that it is called as passive membrane transport. But in active membrane transport, the energy is required in form of ATP to transport the molecule across the cell membrane. We can say ATP is universal energy currency of the cell. Now we will discuss about simple diffusion. Simple diffusion is transport of molecules across the cell membrane along the concentration gradient without consumption of energy. Now, what is the meaning of along the concentration gradient? That means the molecule will move from its higher concentration area to its lower concentration area. And classical example of simple diffusion is diffusion of gases across the lung alveoli. Now we will discuss about factors affecting simple diffusion. There are 5 main factors. First is concentration gradient, second is surface area of the membrane, third is lipid solubility of the molecule, fourth is size of molecule, and fifth is thickness of the membrane. Relation of these factors is mentioned in Fick's law. According to Fick's law, diffusion is directly proportional to the concentration gradient, surface area of the membrane, and lipid solubility of the molecule. That means higher the concentration gradient, surface area of the membrane, and lipid solubility of the molecule, more will be the diffusion. Diffusion is inversely proportional to the size of the molecule and thickness of the membrane. That means larger the size of molecule and thickness of membrane, less will be the diffusion. We can understand this thing by 2 examples. Emphysema is a respiratory condition characterized by destruction of respiratory membrane, due to which there will be decrease in surface area of membrane, ultimately leads to decrease in diffusion of gases. In case of pulmonary fibrosis, the pulmonary membrane gets thickened due to fibrosis, as a result of which the gaseous molecule cannot travel easily through this thickened membrane and ultimately leads to decrease in diffusion of gases. So it's all about simple diffusion. We will meet in next video with new topic. Thank you for watching.